actually getting ready to do my nails. So for my nails, I am using these Kiss colors right here. I love doing my nails by myself now. Oh my God, it brings me such good pleasure. So I'm putting these on. I'm taking these off. These has been on for a little going over a week and 2 weeks. As y'all can see, my nails is growing out. I just chipped this one because I was soaking them. I have my water, oil, and soap in here. So, and then what helps to keep them on my nail, I use the Snippet Lab. I love these. I'm going to show y'all the whole technique as far as how I do them. Y'all, I was like, I'm going to have to go to the store and buy another scan disc for my camera upstairs for my Pocket 3. And I like went in this old container and I found like all of these. And I was like, what the heck is on these? So I'm interested to find out what is on those. And I will be using those for my camera upstairs. So, and then I have all of these old ones right here that I was using. These are the silver ones. The ones that I use now are the gold. So I had them in this little container right here. I was like, oh my God, that is crazy. So, like I said, I'm getting ready to take these off. So the tools that I'll be using is this right here. And this is just a little, I need to charge it. Matter of fact, while I'm right here taking these off, I know there's a, oh, it's a battery. Okay, so I am going to be using that. What are these? Oh, my foil. I'm going to be using these. I'm going to be using some glue, which is where? Right here. So I want everything in close proximity where I can just grab it. And then I have my nail filer. I have my bits right here. As far as the bits I will be using, they're right here. So have that. And I have this tool right here that I will be using to take my nails off. I have this paper towel. So this should go very easy. It shouldn't take long at all. I know the last set I had did not take long. I've already let my nails soak for about 15 minutes, but I'm gonna let them re-soak again and then start taking them off. With me using the Snippet Lab, girl, these things be on there. They be on there and like they ain't going nowhere. So I'm gonna use this tool right here. And this right here would just help pry them off. And you start from the bottom. I wish I had the, yep. So I'm gonna bring the camera down so y'all can see what I'm doing. Hopefully I capture it this time, because last time I did this, I didn't capture it. Y'all see? So I'm just taking this tool, going into a side pocket that is lifting, and then I am just going to go up under and pry that off. Child, my husband said he was going upstairs to iron his stuff while he's up there looking at TV. I'm like, whatever.
I woke up with my name on my tongue. Took a slow look at all I become. The cracks in the glass told the truth. I still shine through. Hands on my heart, I say it again. I've been my own hardest friend, but I'm learning how to let me be soft and free. I breathe in grace, I breathe out pain. I don't need to earn my own good name. I am enough, enough, enough. I am enough tonight. I am the love, the love. borrowed coat, too tight in the shoulders, too hard to hold. Now I let it fall to the floor. I want more than the ache of proving you wrong, more than the sad little waiting song. I can bloom where the old fear died, right here inside. Breathing grace, I breathe out pain. I don't need to earn my own good name. I am enough. I am enough tonight. I am the love that I was scared to find. I am enough. Baby, I'm holding my light. I am the love, and I'm coming home tonight. If I tremble, I still rise. If I break, I learn to rise. Every scar is a bright road map. Every tear brought me back. So I sing my name in the mirror, clear and sweet, a little stronger. I was never too much to keep. I was made to be. Now I'm holding my and I'm coming home tonight. And I'm coming home tonight. I woke up with my name on my tongue. Took a slow look at all I become. The cracks in the glass told the truth. I still shine through. Hands on my heart, I say it again. I've been my own hardest friend, but I'm learning how to let me be soft and free. I breathe in grace, I breathe out pain. I don't need to earn my own good name. I am enough. I am enough tonight. I am the love that I was scared to find. I am enough. Baby, I'm holding my light. I am the love, and I'm coming home tonight. I wore that doubt like a borrowed coat, too tight in the shoulders, too hard to hold. Now I let it fall to the floor. I want more than the ache of proving you wrong, more than the sad little waiting song. I can bloom where the old fear died, right here inside. Breathing grace, I breathe out pain. I don't need to earn my own good name. I am enough. I am enough tonight. I am the love that I was scared to find. I am enough. Baby, I'm holding my light. I am the love.
Okay, y'all, so my battery is getting ready to die. I forgot I have my reading glasses on. But they're done. And they're not perfect, but they're good. They're good enough to pass for perfect. So I don't know why I was so messy this time with the glue. Normally I am more controllable. I don't know if it's because y'all was in the room with me or what, but girl, I was a little bit nervous. I was like, oh, I want to do good for the people. But yeah, but anyway, they're on, they're done. I was just trying to take off some of the excess glue. I know where I was going wrong at. Normally I use my tweezers, and I don't know why I was not using my tweezers to put my nails on, but we know next time. But anyway, this is the finished product. I absolutely love them. Love the color. I think I'm gonna have to go with a different brand. These don't seem as strong as my other ones. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I don't know, but we will see. This one, I think I could have burnt down a little bit more. I think I'm gonna have to redo that one. Okay, so anyway, this is what we have. I hope y'all have enjoyed me putting on my nails, and that is it for tonight. So I'm gonna go ahead and close out this video and wrap it on up. If y'all are new to my channel, okay, sometimes she can be so disrespectful, Miss Sony. Like, but this battery getting ready to die too. So anyway, if y'all are new to my channel, hello, I hope y'all will become a part of what I do. Love on me, girl, as I love on you, and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you join the family. And if you are an oldie but a goodie, come on. Thank you so much for tuning back in. I so greatly appreciate it. Again, I'm going to go ahead and close out this video so I can wrap it up. And I have one video I have to edit. I've been very busy this week. I thought I was going to be able to do it, but I have not yet been able to do it. It is 10:03 and I need to go wrap it up, take my bath, and go to bed. And I will talk to y'all tomorrow, or I will talk to y'all in a new vlog. But until then, love, peace.